Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Doge is, even on the micro level, actually developing perfectly. So we've seen obviously in the last few days the decline into the support region, which is defined between 11 cents and 14 cents. This could have been used for nice swing trades here, this support area, because it did hold from the moment when it was defined here early in March. We had a dip into support, a substantial rally, another dip into support, a small rally, another dip into support, and another rally. And the price is already leaving the support area again for this wave 4 pullback. Can I guarantee that the low is in? No. But if you use the support region for finding an entry, then you are in profit now, and all you need to do now is just manage risk, okay? And the idea is that this decline was complete, or at least the wave count was complete. I only mentioned that in yesterday's video, or remember, like when we were watching this triangle to unfold here, and I highlighted that the next move down could be a rapid one, because a triangle is typically the second to last wave of a cycle, in this case of a corrective cycle labeled wave C of 4. And it's not the last one, it's the second to last, which, if the interpretation of a triangle is correct, indicated that this could be the last wave down. So until obviously there is a bit of an upside momentum, there's no way to confirm that a low has been struck. But this came as close to confirming a low as you really can do it without guessing, because as you might remember from yesterday's video, the micro count to the downside was full. Whenever that's the case, we have to be watching for a low to form. It then takes obviously a little bit more than that, for further confirmation. We need upside momentum, we need the right structure to form, we need a break above resistance, and so on. And those resistance areas or levels are what we want to talk about in this video. First of all, you can see here there was a target area in the support region, and the price reacted to the 1.236 extension. That is the one of the key extension targets for a C wave. So we take the length of the A, and the C wave typically reaches this range between the 100% extension, basically that the A wave has the same length as the C wave, and the 1.38, which means the wave C is 138% as long as wave A. It should actually be 1.382, but it doesn't really make any difference. And then from here, the upside, we're watching for upside. Now, obviously, as I said, there's no guarantee that it's bottomed. There are now some resistances that need to be taken out. That has not happened yet. As I mentioned yesterday, the green line is the first resistance level and breakout point. Maybe here for a micro inverse head and shoulders. So maybe if we now form a higher low, and then could attack that next neckline here at 14.6 cents, then a break above it could increase upside momentum. Next resistance would then be this wave 4 high, which was the end point of the triangle at 15.2 cents. So that would be the next level of resistance, just structurally getting above it, possibly then confirming it from above would be further confirmation. So ideally we do this, like inverse head and shoulders, breakout, maybe confirmation from above, okay, next one, okay, and then higher, and then we have here the next. First of all, the trend line, that's going to be relevant. A break above it, ideally again with another retest. And then we could continue to climb like that. That's obviously a very optimistic perspective. This all depends on, at each stage, on the price successfully retesting previous resistances as support. Also, in addition to that, we have here another level at 16.5 cents that could be watched, which would be the next resistance level, okay? So you have several levels here that, if broken and sustained above it, if the price can sustain above them, that would generate additional upside momentum, or at least confirm further that a low is in. Again, it's all about, probabilities are building in very dynamic ways. There is never certainty. Okay, it's all about confidence and confirmation of structure that we're currently observing. And all of that is obviously based on the condition that the Wednesday low is holding here at 11.9 cents. As with any analysis, you need to know when it breaks. So this assumption, obviously, that we have started the wave 5 to the upside to 26 cents plus, this assumption is only valid as long as the Wednesday low is holding at around 11.9 to 12 cents. Okay, if we get a break below that, then the next line of support that really matters is the 11 cent area. So that would be the next support. At the moment, I'm simply watching if we can break above these resistances, possibly retest from above, and then just confirm that further. And the break out of that wedge pattern to the upside here, that would be a really, really positive signal. That's my update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.